Civil engineering is evolving at lightning speed. What once took months to design can now be simulated in hours. Today's engineers are blending innovation with construction, using drones, artificial intelligence, and digital tools to shape the future. First up is Building Information Modeling, or BIM. BIM is more than just a 3D model. It acts as a digital twin of a project, combining every detail from architecture to maintenance. With BIM, professionals collaborate in one shared environment, reducing errors, saving costs, and speeding up delivery. Drones have revolutionized construction surveying. They map large sites in minutes, monitor progress, and inspect dangerous areas without risking worker safety. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now the engineer's new partner. AI predicts project delays, detects design weaknesses, and optimizes material use, paving the way for smarter cities. 3D printing is transforming construction into manufacturing. Entire houses are printed with special concrete mixes, reducing labor, cost, and waste. Robotics automate repetitive tasks like bricklaying and rebar tying, boosting both speed and precision on site. The Internet of Things brings intelligence to our structures. Bridges send alerts before failure, and concrete can heal its own cracks, ushering in the era of smart infrastructure. The future of civil engineering is about building smarter, safer, and more sustainably. The future is already here.